The banyan tree, an enduring symbol of India's rich heritage and resilience, holds the honor of being the national tree of India. But why was this particular tree chosen, and what makes it so significant? The banyan tree, scientifically known as Ficus bengalensis, is one of the largest and longest living trees in the world. Its unique feature is its aerial roots, which grow downward and form new trunks, creating an expansive canopy that provides shade, shelter, and sustenance for countless living beings. In Indian mythology, the banyan tree is often referred to as the kalpavriksha, or the wish-fulfilling tree. It is a symbol of immortality and knowledge. Many ancient sages meditated under its vast canopy, seeking enlightenment and wisdom. The tree is also closely associated with Lord Krishna, who as a child is believed to have rested under it. In the Bhagavad Gita, the banyan tree is used as a metaphor for eternal life and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Its roots represent stability and its branches, the growth of life. In many Indian villages, the banyan tree serves as the heart of the community. Its shade is a meeting place where elders hold discussions, disputes are resolved, and cultural events take place. For centuries, it has been a silent witness to the rhythm of life in rural India. The banyan tree is also a keystone species in the ecosystem. Its massive canopy provides shade, its roots prevent soil erosion, and its figs are a vital food source for many animals and birds. It creates a self-sustaining microenvironment, promoting biodiversity wherever it grows. The banyan tree was chosen as India's national tree because it represents the timeless essence of Indian culture. Its longevity, resilience, and ability to provide shelter and sustenance make it a perfect symbol of India's unity and diversity. Like the banyan tree, India stands strong, spreading its roots deep in tradition while reaching out with its branches to embrace modernity. The banyan tree is more than a tree. It's a symbol of wisdom, resilience, and life itself. It reminds us of our deep connection to nature and the importance of nurturing it for generations to come.